Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Valorant error 1067 this build of Vanguard. First method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Click Exploit Protection Settings. Change to Use Default On. Restart System. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Copy fourth command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.